Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best wall letters is probably one of the most charming and versatile ways to personalize a child's room, add a touch of educational decor to a playroom, or even create a unique statement in a living space, transforming plain walls into vibrant canvases that reflect personality and style, making them an essential element for anyone looking to infuse character and warmth into their home environment. Number 5. Hadley designed 16 educational posters. This set includes 16 colorful, laminated educational posters. They cover essential learning topics like the alphabet, days of the week, months, shapes, and numbers. These posters engage young learners and make activities interactive and fun. Looking for engaging activities for toddlers? This set offers an excellent screen-free alternative. They help children recognize shapes, colors, and numbers, stimulating early development without screens. These classroom essentials are perfect for kindergarten and preschool learning centers. They include key visuals like alphabet and number charts, helping kids understand foundational concepts. They are ideal for teacher supplies and classroom decor. Designed to complement homeschool curriculum, these posters foster self-paced, hands-on learning. With topics like weather, time, and maps, they support children's independent learning. They are great for homeschool supplies, offering visual aids. This set is perfect for classroom walls, daycare, and kids' room decor. It comes with emotions and feelings posters for calm-down corners. These vibrant posters keep kids focused and excited to learn, making learning fun and effective. Looking for a great gift for young kids or teachers? These posters make an excellent present for birthdays, graduations, or holidays. They provide long-lasting educational value while decorating any room, classroom, or homeschool space. What we like? This comprehensive set offers 16 laminated posters covering a wide array of subjects, making it a versatile learning tool. If you are looking for an all-in-one, screen-free educational resource to boost early childhood development, this collection is perfect. It's ideal for creating an engaging and interactive learning environment at home or in the classroom. What people say. Number 4. Gamenote Magnetic Alphabet Learning Kit. This comprehensive kit is designed for young learners aged 3 and up. It helps preschool kids and toddlers with spelling and learning their ABCs in a fun, interactive way. Inside, you'll find 234 vibrant letters, including 182 lowercase and 52 uppercase. It also comes with a double-sided magnetic board, 3 whiteboard pens, and an eraser, providing everything needed for complete word and sentence building. The high-quality, double-sided magnetic board not only holds the letters but also allows for writing and drawing. It's incredibly easy to erase and reuse, making it a practical teaching tool for various activities. All the letters are crafted from soft-touch EVA foam, each about 1.2 inches with a full-cover magnet. They securely attach to any magnetic surface and are perfectly sized for small hands, even being washable for easy cleaning. It completely satisfies the spelling needs of common words and sentences. This makes it incredibly useful for teaching phonics, CVC, or CCVC words, fostering essential early literacy skills. Ideal for children from 4 to 12, younger toddlers can also enjoy it with parental supervision. This kit is convenient for parents and teachers alike, whether at home, preschool, or on the go. What we like? This kit provides an impressive 238 magnetic foam letters, complete with a double-sided magnetic board for interactive play. If you want a hands-on approach to teaching spelling and phonics, this set offers ample letters for word building. It's perfect for young learners to practice letter recognition and sentence construction in a fun, tactile way. What people say. Number 3. Carson Dellosa Alphabet Bulletin Board Set Quick Stick. Introduce the alphabet in a fun and engaging way. This set uses bright, captivating pieces to create a vibrant learning environment for your classroom. Each letter piece measures 6 by 8.12 inches, with the header at 17 by 6 inches. These dimensions make it ideal for bulletin boards, wall decor, and various visual displays. It comes with a header and 26 die-cut pieces, featuring both upper and lowercase letters. Each piece includes a correlating illustration and quick stick self-adhesive for easy application to smooth surfaces. This set provides all you need to teach and reinforce both uppercase and lowercase letters. It also helps introduce words associated with each letter, setting the stage for future phonics success. For over 40 years, Carson Dellosa has empowered parents and teachers to help children succeed. They support your child's educational journey every step of the way. What we like. Featuring quick stick self-adhesive pieces, this set makes decorating your learning space incredibly easy. If you are looking for a simple, visually rich way to display the alphabet with correlating picture cues, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for bulletin boards, providing clear, large letters to support early phonics and literacy. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. Hadley designs alphabet and number line classroom decor. Transform any room into an engaging learning environment with this comprehensive set. It includes vibrant ABC letters and a clear number line, perfect for young learners. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, these posters are built to last through countless lessons. Each piece measures 6 inches by 14 inches, making them a substantial and safe addition to any wall. Designed to help children connect letters with corresponding objects, it makes learning fun and interactive. This set promotes essential early literacy skills and fosters a visually stimulating educational experience. Applying and repositioning them is incredibly easy, making them ideal for various educational settings. Whether in a classroom, homeschool, or daycare, they adapt effortlessly to your needs. Ideal for preschool, kindergarten, and elementary students, it supports their foundational learning journey. This set is a valuable resource for teachers, parents, and homeschoolers alike. Looking for a thoughtful present? This durable and educationally rich set makes a perfect gift for anyone dedicated to early childhood education. It's a must-have for any learning space. What we like. This set uniquely combines an alphabet display with a number line, all in a charming boho style. If you like a cohesive and aesthetically pleasing classroom or homeschool decor that also serves a dual educational purpose, this is for you. It's perfect for creating a calm yet stimulating learning environment with its unique design. What people say. Number 1. Hadley designs ABC and number line posters. Introducing a vibrant learning tool for young minds. This set includes 12 colorful ABC letter posters and a complete number line, perfect for any educational space. Each poster measures 6 by 14 inches, crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials. They are built to withstand the active environments of classrooms and homes, ensuring long-lasting use. These posters are designed to make learning fun and interactive. They help children connect each letter with corresponding objects, fostering early literacy skills in an engaging way. Whether it's a preschool, kindergarten, elementary classroom, or a homeschool setup, this set is incredibly versatile. It creates a visually stimulating and engaging environment for early childhood education. Teachers and parents will appreciate how easy they are to apply and reposition. This allows for flexible arrangement, adapting to any learning area without hassle. Looking for a thoughtful present? This alphabet poster set makes a perfect gift for teachers, parents, or homeschoolers. Its educational value and durable construction are sure to be appreciated. What we like. Similar to the previous one, this set also offers both an alphabet and a number line, but with a distinct varsity theme. If you prefer a sporty, classic, and energetic look for your learning space, this option will perfectly match your style. It's great for adding a vibrant and dynamic touch while reinforcing foundational literacy and numeracy skills. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.